should be audible to all of you. Okay. So let's begin this session. Hello and good morning once again to all the esteemed attendees who have decided to devote this beautiful Sunday morning to join this interactive session with Ms. Jyoti Jain on personal branding. The specific exact title of the session is The Art of Personal Branding. I am Dr. Vivek Singh Tomar, Area Chair of Marketing and Strategy at the Institute of Management Technology, Center for Distance Learning, Ghaziabad. On behalf of the IMT CDL fraternity, I warmly welcome everyone. So let's just to start up the session, of course, Jyoti, she will be talking in detail about the art of personal branding and what are various benefits that you can draw out of personal branding. Let me just give you an initiation. Personal branding is a crucial aspect of modern life. I think that we all understand the importance of personal branding, and that's the reason that we are all gathered here today to hear from Jyoti. So, personal branding is something which is influencing our professional success and personal growth both equally. And it is the process of establishing a unique image and reputation in the minds of others, which helps to distinguish oneself in a competitive environment. Effective personal branding can open the doors to new opportunities. It fosters trust and credibility and enable individuals to achieve their career and personal goals. It is my honor to introduce the speaker of today's session, Ms. Jyoti Jain, an accomplished and dynamic leader with over 2 decades of experience. Ms. Jain is based in Delhi. Her diverse background spans the transport, automobile, IT, education, and real estate sectors. She holds degrees from prestigious institutions including IIM Lucknow, IMT Ghaziabad, SGVU Jaipur, and Delhi University. Currently, she is pursuing a PhD in management from Swarnim Startup University, Gandhinagar. Ms. Jain is recognized for her innovative approach and strong leadership skills. In her current role as Chief Encouragement Officer, quite a fancy designation that you hold, Jyoti, at Shriram Auto, and previously as CEO of Adroit Inspection Services Private Limited and business head of Shriram Auto, Ms. Jain has excelled in a male-dominated industry through dedication and hard work. Committed to empowering women, she established a female customer service team and actively supports education for the children of drivers. Among her notable achievements is the introduction of a new revenue stream called Bid Rewards. Ms. Jain has acquired several certifications, including those in women entrepreneurship from the Indian Institute of Management, Kashipur, the Prevention of Sexual Harassment, POSH Act 2013, ISO 9001-2008 for auditing of quality management system, Google Digital Unlock, and marketing planning from ProProfs. She has been recognized with numerous awards such as 100 Emerging Women Leaders 2023, 100 Inspiring Women 2023, India Prime Woman Icon 2022, and Innovator of the Year 2020. Beyond her professional success, she served as a mentor, a mother, colleague, daughter, and sister, continuously inspiring women in the automotive industry to make their marks. Now, I invite the proud alumna of IMT CDL. I feel so good to let you all know that Jyoti has been our student and she has served at various organizations at CXO, CEO position, and she can be a benchmark for all the aspiring students who are looking forward to start and join IMT CDL to start the learning journey with us. So I will not take much time and I would invite Jyoti once again to speak. Ms. Jyoti, let us start with the first very basic question. I'll keep on asking the questions as the moderator, and this will keep the talks interactive. So I'll be the student representative here, playing a different role than teacher. So let us start with the first question. So my first question is, can you explain what personal branding is? Give them a very simple perspective of personal branding. I got to know from our admission team that some of the students, they are joining from MP or यूपी राजस्थान वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री मोस्टली हिंदी स्पीकिंग बेल्ट तो आपसे मेरा निवेदन है कि आप दोनों भाषाओं में बात कीजिएगा हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों भाषा में सो दैट वी शुड बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विद द ऑडियंस मैं भी आपसे दोनों भाषाओं में प्रश्न करता रहूंगा ताकि हम लोग ऑडियंस के साथ कनेक्ट होते रहें हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों भाषाओं का हम लोग उपयोग करेंगे सो कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग क्या होता है ये आप इस पर अपना पर्सपेक्टिव दीजिए एंड व्हाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इन टुडेज प्रोफेशनल landscape. So that's my first question to you. Over to you, Jyoti.
Thank you very much, Dr. Vivek Singh, तोमर जी. इतना अच्छे से आपने पूरा explain किया मेरे बारे में. And thank you so much all the participant also for joining here on a Sunday morning. I know it's bit of a difficult. Sometimes आपको लगता है कि Sunday है तो आराम से leisure जाना चाहिए. But it's good that you could have make time for the session. To start with, sir, I think आपने एक word use किया जब आपने designation बोला. Before I go to the image branding, आपने बोला Chief Encouragement Officer. So point was the last role what I was handling as a Chief Executive Officer. I realized that Chief Executive Officer, it's no way better terminology as the Chief Encouragement Officer. Because being a CEO, it's not only the overall responsibility, the responsibility is to keep on encouraging the team, to give them a direction. So that's how I really fascinated by this term, and I have also written an article about that. So that is what is the reason I chose this Chief Encouragement Officer. I'm happy to be. And happy to be here on this session. Thank you for having me here once again. And the complete IMT CDL team. I'm a proud alumni of IMT. Fantastic to be on this session to share my knowledge about this image branding. So, sir, आपने question पूछा कि what is personal branding, right? So, personal branding क्यों important है? Why it is important? So, I would say that in अगर आप याद करेंगे in the earlier times also, it's always about how you have been perceived. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, personal branding has become more than just a buzzword. It's not only just your overall image. It helps you to achieve your ladder towards the success. Be it your entrepreneur, be it your freelancer, be it your corporate leader. Point is how you present yourself into the world can make all the difference in the essence. How people are perceiving you. आपको कैसे आपके सामने जाना जाता है और कैसे आपके पीछे आपको आपके बारे में व्याख्यान किया जाता है, आपके बारे में बताया जाता है, आप क्या हैं, कैसे हैं, वो एक पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग जो है वो एक्सप्लेन करता है. The image you carry, the attributes you carry, that is what helps you, maintaining that overall your personal branding. I mean, like if I brief it, it's like who you are, what you stand for, what you do for, and what the kind of difference you make the changes. मतलब आप क्यों हैं, आपका क्या अस्तित्व है, आपके क्या गुण हैं, आप जिनको अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में या सोसाइटी में या ऑफिस में या जहां पे भी आप जिसमें भी आप एक डिफरेंस लेके आना चाहते हैं. That is what is personal branding, and that is how it is important for your overall working and the livelihood.
Okay. I'm quite inquisitive about these students, those who are attending this session, that how do they take personal branding? As I can understand from their perspective, they might want to use this personal branding to enhance their own personal image. Whether how do they like to project themselves to the outsiders, to the external world, particularly in real world as well as in virtual world through social media platform. बट व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड, जैसे कि हम लोग समझते हैं कि अपने आप को आपको कैसे प्रोजेक्ट करना है, उसके पहले ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि आप क्या हैं. आप सबसे पहले इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करें, अपनी यूनिक प्रपोजिशन को समझें कि आपकी क्या यूनिक प्रपोजिशन है जो आपको बाकी लोगों से अलग और बेहतर बनाती है, और न सिर्फ उसे समझें, उसके बाद उसे प्रोजेक्ट कर सकें. तो मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी फिलहाल अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, जिससे पता लगा सके कि वो कहाँ यूनिक है, उनकी क्या यूनिक वैल्यू प्रपोजिशन, उसे कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करें, आइडेंटिफाई करके उन यूनिक वैल्यू प्रपोजिशन को कैसे प्रोजेक्ट करें ताकि अपने एक पर्सनल ब्रांड की शुरुआत कर सकें.
So, sir, what I think is individual can identify their unique value proposition by reflecting on their strengths, skills, passion, what sets them apart from others. Like as already I have shared with that, they may feel free to take some sort of feedback around their mentors, their peers, their colleagues. What is something unique about you? experiences, passion, which you can share with everyone. So I hope I'm answering the right question, sir.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
Uh,
So this, I mean, like, in short, I will say, like, strength, values, personality, the way that resonates with you and your target. I mean, I would say, like, think of like you are a brand ambassador, okay? With every interaction and everything, whatever you are doing, it is an opportunity to reinforce your brand and identity. Whether you are networking, whether you're working, whether you're presenting, participating anywhere, every action and the words speak is connecting with your personal branding. So, for that, you should definitely focus on your strengths, values, and personality. So, this is what is very, very important while we are looking to develop our personal branding.
it was a
हिंदी
wonderful
में थोड़ा
insight.
हाँ
It was
जी
a wonderful insight. It was a wonderful insight, and it has also made us thinking, all of the attendees. All right, go ahead, please. We are all hearing.
yeah
So I think that you have answered this question beautifully. Now let me put up a different perspective to you, adding to the previous question itself. Like, one thing is about exploring our own self and then identifying our ideal self. Self means like how do we see ourselves, and ideal self means how do we want ideally to be perceived by the external world, the others. How do they want to see us? So
yes
nowadays, particularly what we see, like we are living two lives. One life is the real life where we are meeting the real people, we are having real interaction with them. Second is our virtual life. Like we all are on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and many other social media platforms. Particularly LinkedIn is one very important platform where we want to project our professional self so that we should be perceived as with positive attributes by the employers so that our career prospects can enhance and we get better growth in our career. Right. But there is a big question on the authenticity of the virtual profile of the people, particularly in social media or in virtual world. So how the our learners, those who are attending this session, what tips that you would like to give to them, that what steps they need to follow in order to minimize this gap in between the what they actually want to project and what actually other perceive. इस गैप को, ये जो गैप आता है कि वो अपने आप को कैसे अपने आइडियल सेल्फ को प्रोजेक्ट करना चाहते हैं और अदर्स कैसे परसीव करते हैं, इसको समझने के लिए वो क्या करे ताकि वो अपने आप को जितना ऑनेस्टली प्रेजेंट कर पाए और ये भी बता पाए कि जो भी कह रहे हैं उनकी प्रोफाइल है वो ऑथेंटिक है. Authenticity is the key word here. So what would be your advice to our learners?
तो सर आपका शायद पहला प्रश्न ये है कि कैसे तो हम अपना सोशल मीडिया को वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड को कनेक्ट करें टू इमेज आवर ब्रांड एंड अनदर वन इज उसमें ऑथेंटिसिटी कैसे रखें, राइट? Yeah. So, sir, firstly, I would suggest all the participants, whoever are listening to me, think of is like, as I already shared, think you are the brand, you are the product. आपको मार्केट करना है, ठीक है? तो चाहे आप रियल वर्ल्ड में हैं, चाहे आप वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में हैं, किसी भी वर्ल्ड में आपका जो कम्युनिकेशन है, जो आपका एक्शंस हैं, that should speak and clarity, which is displaying your values and your professional skills or any attribute you would like to pursue. For that, there are key steps which you can evaluate. Like, for example, you can do some self-assessment. Understand your strengths, your values, your goals. Be clear on that. Do not confuse that. Everyone has their unique features, right? Then second is define your target, whom you want to address, why you want to address, and then create an consistent, clear communications. चाहे आप virtual world में हैं, thanks to all the social media, there's so many tools available which you can have an platform. Look for more suitable platform which is there for you. Choose that. Be consistent in sharing your thoughts, your ideas, your values in terms of any creatives, communications, articles, blogs, videos, anything which you find it's more suitable to display and share with your audience about your skills and strengths. build your network, I mean, like overall online presence. Uh, it's all freely available tools. There's nothing like that you have to spend a huge amount of money. What is required here? More of consistency, persistence, sticking to your core values. That is the key. Sometimes we get confused with that, multiple tools available in the, upcoming, fast-paced world, because it's the technological driven world, and you keep on receiving lot many, options, and do not confuse. Go smooth and then in transition mode, so that your audience is grasping in you what you are here for representing. Also, it's always good to seek a feedback. I think being in authenticity, you can go ahead, you can look for your mentors, your peers, your colleagues. You may seek your certain feedbacks which will help you being aligned to your vision, how you want to be perceived, how you want to be communicated. But overall, in terms of this, the consistency is the key. Be patient enough. Nothing happens overnight. Building a brand, any brand which comes to your mind, is nothing, started today. Looks like today, because social media is quite an active platform nowadays. So we see that, okay, it's like a sudden something has happened. But if you go by the history of any brand which is being established, it takes some time. So be consistent, in clear in communications, uh, follow all the rules and ethics of the platform which you are using it, be it social media, be it the real world, and connect to your audience to convey yourself, to
All right.
project your brand.
Fantastic. So what we could gather here are consistency and clarity. These are the two things which certainly helps you in building a more authentic profile and online in your online as well as offline process. Like here, I would like to add one more word, that is integrity. Integrity, that means there should be minimum gap in between your thoughts, your words, and your actions.
Yes.
Why? Because people judge you by your actions primarily, because actions then comes words. So you speak and promote something to your words and your actions when they do not match with your words, then certainly like it creates a kind of doubt or confusion in the mind of people who see you, and that is something which create a negative brand image of yourself. So one should
To,
take
to
care of
add on to
consistency.
this, sir,
Right.
I would, in my day-to-day life, I use a very, one phrase, which is like walk your talk. It's
Mhm.
not just bragging about something which you are unable to do that. So walk the talk is something which, yes, to second that thought.
Yes, yes, yes. Another thing that we are observing is like people find it very difficult to draw a line in between their personal life and professional life. Like in personal life, you act differently, you project yourself differently, and when it comes to professional life, you have to act a little bit more formal to the audience, because there you cannot carry your true self. So, in a sense, like when we say work and the personal life, we are living two lives separately. One is, of course, the real life and virtual life, and second demarcation is our personal life and our work life. So, what is happening today is like people have their profile on personal medias where they are sharing their personal photographs, their personal life, their personal activities, their personal interests, their personal passion, and parallelly, they live in a different social world where they show their professional accomplishment. So, how to bring a balance in between these two things?
So,
What
sir,
will be your advice?
as I have mentioned, there is a platform, a connecting platform. What you want to perceive.
Mhm.
So yeah, agree. There are a couple of platforms which is more of personal based, where we share our pictures, our personal moments, our happiness, our sorrows, and then there is a professional platforms also. So to strike a balance between, again, as I will connect the previous suggestion, what I have made it, like you need to focus on your strength. If you would like to be perceived as, for example, like lively and professional, there's no harm in sharing that, some part of your personal movements, because now people are, post COVID, there is a slight change in the mindset of the people. People are more realistic. Earlier they were just following the career as a whole. The life goes into more of focusing onto that part. But COVID gave us a little backseat. We all become little more human. We try to be more of, as a human first, and then pursuing our careers and professionalism and definitely all these things. So there's no harm in being considerate as a human being and sharing your personal views again, but in line to your vision. For example, if I am focusing on that part of being happiness in terms of your working, so I can communicate that happiness with that on a professional background by achieving something, by doing things in a right way on a professional platform. Also onto that, sharing that happiness in the moment of your personal, like maybe your a personal moment with that your kid, which you can share it, share that happiness, because ultimately the focus area here is to share the happiness. So like that, you can project a two different aspect of being personal and professional, but the objective remains same. At the end of the day, objective need to be justified. If you are trying to share that happiness and a smile, whichever way you are communicating, which is you finding in line to your personal brand vision, the communication should be ultimately the goal should reach to that objective.
Thank you, Jyoti. The participants who are attending this session right now, for many of them, you might be a role model because they're all aspirants. They are the one who shown their interest to join IMT CDL PGDM program, which you have been through. And I'm sure that you must have acquired many things from us, from the culture of IMT CDL being an alumni here. And today, what we see you as an ideal personal brand, you as that you have established yourself particularly in such diverse set of industries, IT, education, automobile, automotive components, real estate. I think most of these industries are male dominated. So you must be having a lot of stories of your own that how you have might have struggled in order to create your own personal brand and reach to this position of CEO where you have reached today. And then you have rebranded your own designation, as you rightfully said, that CEO looks a little bit bossy, authoritative. And from Chief Executive Officer, now you have named yourself as Chief Encouragement Officer. And I think that's such beautiful insight only a lady can bring in the workplace, right? Males are not so creative. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit getting personal bias or stereotype against my own gender. But see, sometimes we see miracle of having women in the workplace. So, what advice you would like to give to the ladies, particularly women, though still they are in minority here, like less number of women as compared to males who are attending this session, in order to make a strong presence in the corporate world, just like you? Please
So,
give some
sir,
examples. Please give some examples out of your personal life so that they can also get inspired.
sir, in terms of that female, so I would give it by my example, as you have rightly mentioned, that mostly industry which I have worked with, it's related to the male dominating. I mean, the mindset is like that, so it is difficult. But again, as you defined, so I am whatever I am sharing here is it's as per the personal experiences only. So I have analyzed my personal strengths. My personal strength doesn't go with that easy job. I might look like a female, I am a female, but my strength lies into doing some difficult, complex jobs. So that is what I have evaluated my personal strength, evaluated, and what is more complementing me to do that, utilization of those skills, where I can do the benefit, the change, I can bring it. Because often women's I have been, because of the some or the other reason, has to take some back seat. And maybe because of the social pressure or some some other circumstances, or at times they themselves. What I believe in, at the end of the day, what decision is being accepted is you. So firstly, you should own that decision. I would request all the females, if you are not agreeing to something, please do not accept it. It's not like that you have to go and fight and break the family or anything rules or like that. No, but be consistent in sharing your values. As I say, it's all about values and how you would like to be perceived. I got married pretty early at the you won't even imagine, at the age of 18. I got married. Yeah, so I
Very
was just
early.
doing my 12th. Yeah, I was doing just my 12th.
Uh-huh.
So, but still, even if that restrictions were forced to do that part, that I should not study, I should continue the family, I should take care of the family, being coming from that Baniya family, normal, a protocol has to be followed. However, I was very clear on my values, which I have received from my father. Today is Guru Purnima. I consider him as my first guru. Whatever I am because of him and his teachings to me. He made me that strong and clear in terms of anything comes to my way. So that has helped me to drive that focus and a consistency communications. Okay, I would like to do it in this way. I want to do it in this way. So that slowly, as you keep that patience, things changes with the smooth, with the love, care, support. All those people whom I have received a lot of hatred, they all give me, when I receive that sentence that, okay, we are proud of you, what you are doing it, you have made the difference. You are the only female in the family who has achieved to this level and doing that, all those things. So it gives a sense of satisfaction. Okay, the objective I have defined for me, it is giving started giving some results. It took a 2 decades almost, 20 years of me working into this various industries and departments. But yeah, now it started to giving me that result. So you have to be patient and consistent. Things will happen, I'm sure, and I'm there. Anything I you feel is support, I can provide you the support. Happy to do.
Okay. There's one more thing which is coming to my mind while hearing from you. So many wonderful thoughts that you have shared with the audience, those who are attending this session. Certainly, they would like to know about some of your life stories, if you do not mind, some of the narratives or life story or some situations that you have gone through, which might be very challenging. If you would like to share it with them, which can encourage them to make their strong personal brand like you.
Okay. So the example should explain the challenges happened into the professional life or the personal life.
आप दोनों एग्जांपल दे सकती हैं, पर्सनल लाइफ में भी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी. आई थिंक प्रोफेशनल एग्जांपल से शुरुआत करते हैं, उसके
जी
बाद एक पर्सनल एग्जांपल लेते हैं.
जी. So 2011, I have joined my current organization, where I was in like my mid 20s. I would say that it's been 13 years with the organization now, seen a lot of changes. But when I joined this organization, not even 1%, I would say, the females were there. And also that it is an automobile industry. So the mindset is like, branding, we don't need it. We are hardcore brick and mortar company. Branding is not required. That is not for us. We know our strengths, and it is just a waste of time, money, and efforts. Also, the female, it's like, no, I mean, like, you have been discounted. So there was a time when you have not been considered. Okay, you have been you have certain experience and working, which you want to make that change, but that has always been discounted because, one, you are female. Second, you are new to that, which is not a regular sort of a work. And that too, we are not into the manufacturing, we are into the used industry, which is further raw and unorganized during those times. So 2015, when the whole economy started driving around the digital changes by the PM Modi, when he drive that, okay, there is an digital transformation India will start moving into. So I thought, okay, let me transform all those things. We have like yards, 100 plus yards are there, where auctions is happening. So people come for an auction, they participate and buy the vehicle. So all that model, I thought of creating into that online in terms of an application. I started working on that, and you won't believe that there was the word. One of the meeting is like, get out. As brutal as it can be. So I have been, quoted as get out from the meeting. It's not important. Okay. So ये भी सुना है, सुना, दिल और दिमाग में नहीं लेना है. Be clear on your focus. If you are intent to something, see, every person doesn't know who you are, but you should know yourself first. If you know it, you have that vision to see it future. There are certain things which marketeer, I would say, that blessed with that little futuristic things. So you need to be consistent enough. Unfortunately, when the COVID hit to us, during that time, in a fraction of seconds, we all were shut down. That time, that application, where because we were already in advance, quite and ready to do that auctions, we immediately shifted onto that application to conduct all our auctions. And by God grace, most of the companies have fired. We have hired the people. Our business was good and sustained very smoothly. So I take that pride in that. Apart from that, there's another innovation I did it, bid rewards, which you have mentioned that I might explain it later. So these were the two things which helped us surviving that COVID session because we were technological driven. We come up with the digital terminology and the another one, the revenue generation tool, which was bid rewards. So these were the two things which helped us sustain that bad time. And I take that feel and a proud, and I have been awarded for that same Innovator of the Year much later after doing those things. So this is what, it's okay. Sometimes people will try to pull you down. They will try to, deviate you from your focus. But if you are 100% sure that no, this is needed, this will gonna help the human, the people, the audience which you are trying to work for, later or sooner they will realize it and they will appreciate the effort which you have done it. So this is what I would say that one of the example which I feel really proud about that.
And we would like to hear one example from your own life as well, because you must be playing a lot of roles parallelly, right? Being a mother, being a wife, being a family member, and balancing in between the professional life and personal life, and bringing happiness both to your workplace as well as to your family must have been a daunting task and must be a big challenge to you. So, how you surpassed all those barriers, overcome all those issues, trouble, and could achieve on both personal as well as professional front?
So, sir, this common question always I hear that personal and professional balancing. So, in my opinion, balancing is giving the priority right things at the right time. So it's not like that 10 to 5 I will do that job and later I don't know. Whatever happens to my work, I don't know. I'm not responsible. Or yeah, when you're home, you're just taking care of your baby, and when you're at office, you least about care about your personal side. So it's not like that. It doesn't happen like this. I think you should have that sense of responsibility at first. आपने जो भी काम लिया है आप उसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल बनिए, चाहे वो घर का है, चाहे वो आपके ऑफिस का है, चाहे वो किसी फ्रेंडशिप में है, चाहे वो कोई और भी आपके कमिटमेंट्स है, आप उनका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जरूरी है लेने के लिए एट फर्स्ट. I think that gives you much clarity what I do believe in, and I work along with that. And very rare condition it happens like that in the same moment you will see all the things coming into as a priority. It really, the probability is very very low. So if I talk about it, I am a single parent now. I manage my home single handedly. There's no full time maid or any other support to me. Taking care of my baby completely. So I'm a homemaker. I take care of my 10-year-old daughter. She is also doing pretty good in terms of her own establishing brand for the YouTube channel. She runs it, Explore with Aisha. So she is also trying doing a bit. Apart from that, she has got a chance to meet Narendra Modi sir and Draupadi Murmu, and she's doing. I'm supporting her in her endeavors. Then my office is there 100%. I love people actually. I love what I do. And again, this comes from my father. I mean, like while I was a kid, I have been scolded very badly because he always used to say one thing: don't do anything if you're not happy doing about it. So that has gone so deeper that now whatever I do it with my full heart, mind, and soul. So it doesn't give me that stress or any burden that oh I've been forced like this. So that's how it gives me that ease to balance between my office, home, work, and all my personal things. Like I'm doing my PhD, I'm learning Spanish, I'm learning Kathak. So and it's not like that I am also not doing something. So I am myself also taking out some time. Yes, the times get extended a bit. It's not a typical 10 hours. My daily routine is 18 hours. So out of 24 hours, 4 hours sleep, rest 18 hours goes into some action. The another rule which I follow is never sit idle. Either I'm learning or I'm doing anything. So that 18 hours, it's not just sitting idle. Every minute is been turned out to be some or the other output. Leisure is also, if we are resting is also an activity, but do it with full heart. It's not like that you are scrolling the reels and then you're saying I'm resting. It's not a resting. Most of the people do it like that. So if you're resting, do that resting. Meditation helps you a lot, gives you a lot of clarity, and sort out your confusion. It's like you're in a tangled world. This will help you untangle the all those things which is there around you. So all in all, I think in a one liner, if I precisely say that, giving priority right things on a right time. Don't be plastic कि अगर कभी आप emergency में हैं and there's something office required your support, it's okay. Please do not forget that at the end of the day, whatever we are earning our bread and butter, and our our identity is because of what we are earning from there. So giving respect to our professional front is equally important as you take care of your own family. So if you are ill, being a mother, if I am ill, if my kid will ask me, Mama, I need this, I need your help, I will never say no. So if my team is asking the same way, why there's a difference that I'm not available? So I don't make that difference to me. My office is also my baby. I take care of them. I do whatever support and guidance is needed from my side, and likewise at home. So that gives me like it like ease out completely, because I don't see that many differences. I go as per the work and the priority, and these are all my responsibility to do that job.
Thank you. It was wonderful. There's one thing which is coming to my mind, that there is a very strong linkage in between personal branding. People generally do it for networking. So personal branding, networking, career building, and career development, all these terms, they are interrelated. So how would you like to explain it to our learners, those who are attending this session, that how they can use the personal branding for enhancing their networking, and further through networking, how they can enhance their career?
Okay. So, sir, if you are a person who's good at technology, for example, if you know the things which is required by certain companies or that industry or that workings, and if you are vocal about that, building your content, building your information, attending the relevant platforms like conferences, meetings, interacting with that relevant peer groups. Nowadays, like on Facebook, there's so many groups. On LinkedIn, there's so many groups. If you are part of such networking platforms, you have people to know for, to share that knowledge for. And once you share that knowledge is always like sharing and caring. As much as you share, you get it back more enhanced. And trust me, I have seen that versions. For example, even if it's one liner, you do it today and you share it with other person, the next day it will definitely turn out to be some other viewpoint. As much as you share, you convey your thoughts and perspective, it will like a growing a plant. So as your knowledge is enhanced, automatically the career, the professional world which you are trying to make an impression and then impact, automatically you will be recognized. You will never need to run after the designation and role. People will approach you for that particular task because you are known for that skill and there is demand in this skill. So that's how it is interconnected. Firstly, again, you know your strength, you connect with the right environment. आपका जो कनेक्ट है नेटवर्किंग में है, चाहे वो ग्रुप्स हैं, कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हैं, आपकी मीटिंग्स हैं, आपका ऑफिशियल है, उस पे आप पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए. उसमें आपका जो आउटकम है उसको भी आप ग्रेस्प कीजिए। जो फीडबैक आपको मिल रहे हैं, जो अदर व्यू पॉइंट्स आपको मिल रहे हैं, उनको आप नर्चर करके यू आर फर्स्टली आप आपका खुद का ग्रूमिंग हो रहा है। दूसरा, आपके बारे में भी एक इम्प्रेशन बिल्टअप हो रहा है। वंस दैट इम्प्रेशन इज बिल्ट अप, ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल गिव यू दैट रिजल्ट्स। बट अगेन एंड अगेन आई वुड से, नेवर बीन अ रश। आज मैंने किया है, आज ही रहेगा, तो पेशेंस बहुत जरूरी है। कंसिस्टेंट रहिए और करते रहिए।
Okay. There's one question which I can see on the chat. One of the participant, Prashant, has asked, and this looks more like a spiritual question to me. He has asked, is building perception of branding more important these days in spite of having required talent for growth? And sometimes building or changing perception of others requires which you don't like. So the same question is available on the chat. You can also have a look at the question.
Okay,
Prashant,
the last
that is the
question.
last question. So
Or branding more important these days in spite of having required talent for growth? Okay, मैं आपको थैंक यू प्रशांत फॉर दिस फैंटास्टिक क्वेश्चन। मैं आप हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे, इंग्लिश में? आप एक बार वो भी लिख देंगे क्या?
since it is an interactive
चलिए,
session, I would
मैं
request other
मिक्स
students also to ask
एनीहाउ। ओके,
questions.
सो इफ यू रिमेम्बर, इट्स, अगर आप देखें टेक्निकली, ब्रांडिंग, योर पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग इज नथिंग न्यू। आप छोटे से बचपन में भी होंगे ना, तभी भी आपकी मम्मी ने बोला होगा कि आप ये ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हो, व्हाट अदर्स, माई रिलेटिव्स, व्हाट दे विल थिंक, isn't it? So there's nothing like that this is something which is new coming up. Point here is everything is becoming little more professional, more sophisticated, more organized to, create that impact properly. So perception is not something that I which is not you. Please don't take it wrong. Building personal branding is ensuring who you are. There is two types of thing. अभी जैसे मैंने आपको एक एग्जांपल बताया कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, है ना? The world always talk about some or the other people. Personal branding is something taking control of your image, not letting the people what they are thinking. It's like what I want you to think for me. That is what is communicating by my words, my action, my participation onto the relevant areas.
All right, that was
Yeah.
fantastic. Anything else? Any other student who would like to ask any question? I think this is an open platform and we call it, that is how we advertise it, the interactive session. So it would be great if you interact with us and write some questions here in the chat. I, on behalf of the audience here, will take that question and I'll ask the questions to Jyoti. We are here to receive more questions from you. In the meantime, I think, let me see if there is any question. Yes, there are some questions. Like one student has written that my communication is so weak, so how I will grow, please tell me. So गौरव साहू एक स्टूडेंट है और ये ऐसा एक समस्या एक स्टूडेंट की नहीं है, मोर और लेस हमारे हिंदुस्तान में ये एक बड़ी मेजर समस्या है कि स्टूडेंट्स को कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, वन टू वन कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, वन टू मैनी पर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स की भी प्रॉब्लम होती है। कई बार लोग अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते। बहुत टैलेंटेड बच्चे होते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, बट दे फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू कम्युनिकेट their thoughts, their feelings to others. How they can develop it, enhance it, because communication is one very important aspect through which one can project his or her brand image, his personal self branding. So I think like that would be a good question for you to answer.
तो पहले मैं आप सभी को पूछना चाहूंगी एक क्वेश्चन। क्या आप बिलीव कर सकते हैं आई यूज टू बी ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम? यस, यस। So my communication was also weak. I was also unable to communicate my thoughts once upon a time. But can you believe it today? So there is, firstly, why I am giving this example. There's nothing like that impossible. वो होगा, बट पहली चीज, एज आई एम कंटिन्यूसली सेइंग, आप वर्क कीजिए। और उसके लिए मैं एक छोटा सा क्विक टिप देती हूँ आपको। Normally what happens is we get into that mode that what others will think if I'll ask something, if I share my thoughts, what will they come, share, and मेरे को आउटकम क्या मिलेगा। उस पे हमें कई बार कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है, या हम बहुत ज्यादा सोचने लग जाते हैं, या उसी में ही हम अपने आप को टैंगल कर लेते। सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट द स्टेप नंबर 1, स्टार्ट थिंकिंग इन योर हेड क्लियरली। आपको जो बोलना है आप बिल्कुल क्लियरली सेंटेंस में फॉर्म कीजिए, आप अपने दिमाग में बोलिए। ऑल्सो मैं जो हिंदी भाषी हैं उनको भी ये बताऊंगी, मैं 9th क्लास तक 10th क्लास तक हिंदी मीडियम में गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ी हूँ। जब मैं 11th क्लास में गई तो मैंने सोचा कि हिंदी बोलना, हिंदी मीडियम से पढ़ाई आगे मेरे को शायद प्रॉब्लम कर सकती है। आई शुड ऑल्सो वर्क फॉर द इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल। सो सो इंग्लिश मीडियम में चेंज तो कर लिया, लेकिन ना तो कम्युनिकेट करना आता था इंग्लिश में अपने आंसर्स को या अपनी भावनाओं को। तो वो वहां पे एक इंफीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स आना चालू हुआ कि नाउ व्हाट शुड आई डू। सो सो दिस इज व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एज, एंड दिस इज आई एम टेलिंग यू फ्रॉम माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस। आपको मैं इतना बता सकती हूँ कि अभी पिछले 2 साल से आप सच जानेंगे तो मैं हिंदी बोलने की प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ क्योंकि एक टाइम वो आ गया था कि मैं हिंदी शब्द ही भूल गई थी, इतना ज्यादा मैं अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लिया था। तो उतना भी मत कीजिए कि अभी इंग्लिश, हिंदी और स्पेनिश ऐसा लैंग्वेज सीख रही हूँ। तो आप पहले अपनी सोच में आपको जैसे कम्युनिकेट करना चाहिए, कुछ परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप सोचिए, आप बोलिए वो चीज जो भी आपको बोलना है, आप अपने दिमाग में इंग्लिश में बोलना चालू कीजिए। स्टेप नंबर 1। सेकेंडली, थोड़ा सा समटाइम आप शीशे में देख के अपने आप को, यू कैन ट्राई एंड कन्वर्स। आप जब ब्रश कर रहे हैं, टूथब्रश कर रहे हैं, उस टाइम पे टूथब्रश करते करते आप अपने आप को लुक इन टू आई एंड देखिए और अपने आप से बात कीजिए। दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस।
All right, so variety of questions are coming here in
Yeah,
the
so
chat. I can also see, and if you want, you can take them yourself,
sure,
whatever question you like.
sure.
Well, some of the questions are very generic in nature, that how we can win with the personal branding, how how it can help in our marketing and sales career and bringing the client acquisition and so on. So, any question that you would like to take, you please pick up
So
as to your choice.
So I'll go one by one. I'll try
Right.
and quickly give answer to each question. So second
Right.
question from Nikita Yadav. Can personal branding help in client acquisition being from marketing? And yes, absolutely yes. Because once you are known for your certain ethics and attributes, they will be more acceptable to this. And let me tell you, none of the work or anything works without relationship. To get the success, relationship is the key. So जब आपका इमेज उतना रहेगा उस पर्टिकुलर वर्क के लिए, this will definitely help you out with that influencing your work and to elevate and help you into the success. uh, Kranti, what is the right way of developing yourself? Steps, please. And I think I have shared it. Firstly, self-assessment कीजिए। आपका जो core values and strength है उनको आप define कीजिए। अपने बारे में आप क्या बताना चाहते हैं, who you are, what you do, whom you want to make the changes, and what you can make the difference to that particular society or audience. I think ये 4 questions आप देखिए, so उससे आपको definitely help मिलेगी। And for furthermore, you can connect with me. How to win with our personal branding. अगर आप जो हैं, आपकी जो खूबियां हैं, अगर वो पता होंगी सबको, तो क्यों नहीं जीतेंगे? आप बिल्कुल जीतेंगे। बट ये है, कंसिस्टेंसी में रहिए। आप दूसरों का, अगर आप देखिए जेनरिक है, 10 लोग आपको अगर मिलेंगे तो उसमें से 9 लोग आपको बोलेंगे आप शायद गलत है। एक भी मुश्किल से मिल सकते हैं कि आपको जो सपोर्ट करेंगे, बट इट्स ओके। अगर इफ यू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू, प्लीज बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड कीप ऑन डूइंग द राइट थिंग्स द राइट वे, you will be winning. How can we do it now in our how can we do it now in our professional life? Sorry, थोड़ा सा elaborate करना पड़ेगा ये question को. I think be consistent in what you are doing it. Do not plastic. We all are human. I like to be human, and keep on innovating your own work. Nobody knows it better than your work. To answer that, Vishali, I hope this will answers your question. Shankar Girinath, how one should portray themselves in LinkedIn, especially people who are yet to start their career and someone with a couple of years with experience. Shankar, as I said already, please, personal, and Shankar, and for all, to bring that clarity, personal branding is not something I would like to know as Deepika Padukone. It's not something I am portraying somebody else's image. If I am here on LinkedIn, I'm here on Instagram, I'm here on Facebook, I am portraying as Jyoti Jain. So is you. शंकर, आप कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं, आप आपको पोर्ट्रे कीजिए, आपके क्या वैल्यूज हैं, आपके क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, आपके क्या स्किल्स हैं. Please be clear about you and communicate that. And experience matters when it comes to the particular job, but not for that giving that impression. You can build up your own niche. Prince, how to identify and meet particular niche specific personal branding requirement. As I said, आपको जो पता करना है, as I said, who you are, what you do, who you do it for, and the transform you create. ये 4 क्वेश्चंस प्लीज आप लिखिए, उनको इवैल्यूएट कीजिए. दिस विल गिव यू दैट योर नीश. The next question is Harsh. This could be wrong question for the session. I am into industry for 15 years. Personal branding for individual is very good, but what in case someone have created psycho image? How can we find? So again, it's all about the control is with the external world. Personal branding gives you that control, how people perceive about you. So please start working on that. You may seek some professional advices and some mentors who can help you out working on that. And that there is an image branding. उसके लिए मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे सकती हूँ. जैसे आपने बहुत सारे न्यूज मीडिया में सुने होंगे कि अभी कुछ केस हुआ तो आपने वो बहुत खराब हो गया. अभी कैसे था, जैसे हार्दिक पांड्या का लेटेस्ट मैं एग्जांपल देती हूँ. सो उनका उनका कितना हेटर्ड आ रहा था, राइट. एंड द मोमेंट उनका डिवोर्स का खबर आया, वो थोड़ा सा चेंज हुआ, उनके लिए एम्पथी आया. सो दीज आर दी थिंग्स विच ऑल्सो क्रिएट्स योर इमेज दैट नो, इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, इट्स नॉट राइट. सो वो आप कैसे कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं अबाउट, उससे आपका इमेज चेंज हो सकता है. Neha, as you see, ma'am, there are several influencers, but creating amazing content. How do we stay consistent? शेड्यूल बनाइए आपका. अगर आप हफ्ते में एक बार कुछ कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हैं तो हफ्ते में एक बार कीजिए. डिसिप्लिन इज another thing which will give you success, and this is for all of you. डिसिप्लिन लाइफ में बहुत जरूरी है. जब हम छोटे थे तो नहीं अच्छा लगता था, बट मुझे लगता है सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन गेव मी अ लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस एंड सपोर्ट. उसमें काफी चीजें सॉर्ट होती हैं. तो आप कंसिस्टेंट रहिए, अपने विजन को, गोल को आप शेयर कीजिए राइट वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन में. एंड लेटर पार्ट है आपका, व्हाट डू वी डू, फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रीलांस सोशल मीडिया मार्केटर. हाँ, तो आपने बोला आई फील लाइक आई एम होल्डिंग बैक सिंस आई एम नॉट शोइंग ऑल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ. तो गो फॉर इट. हु स्टॉपिंग यू? अगर आपको लग रहा है यू कैन डू समथिंग, गो अचीव योर ड्रीम. नथिंग टू स्टॉप अबाउट इट. Go for that. You'll surely get your success. Can you please share your journey from a group employees to standing now? Surely, but I think we have a limited time space. We may connect again, or you can connect me directly on my platforms, Jyoti Jain. You can Google me, you'll find me. Or as a marketing kima, I would call myself, because I love being a mother. मुझे अच्छा लगता है प्यार शेयर करना और केयर करना. So I like to call myself a marketing kima. Jyoti Jain. How is personal branding intertwined with your entrepreneurial mindset, ma'am? So both are interconnected. It's not like that कि वो entrepreneur mindset करना है या branding करना है. I have defined my core values. Marketing में भी often I think कुछ अगर marketing में है, there's always a myth. Marketing में ऐसा नहीं होता है कि सब आप tools use कर लीजिए. Marketing is something, find your niche, put your steps and follow that. ऑटोमेटिकली जो उसके बीच के जो पार्ट्स हैं, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग है, एंटरप्रेन्योर है, सक्सेस है, वो आती है. लाइफ को ना एक वीडियो गेम के जैसे लीजिए आप लोग. कुछ भी होता है ना, हर दिन चैलेंजेस आएंगे. अब वो चैलेंज, हम वीडियो गेम खेलते हैं, कोई भी गेम्स खेलते हैं, कभी ऐसा होता है कि लेवल में कोई चैलेंजेस नहीं आ रहे होते हैं, एवरी स्टेप पे सिर्फ चैलेंजेस ही होते हैं। वो एक एक चैलेंज आप पकड़ते रहिए, उसको सॉल्व करते रहिए, नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाइए, नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाइए, नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाइए। और आप सोचिए कि इवन इफ वो पूरा लेवल आप क्रॉस कर भी लेते हैं, तभी भी देयर इज अ हंगर ऑफ न्यू वर्जन टू कम अप इन द ऑन टू दैट पर्टिकुलर गेम। तो तो वो चीज को हम अपनी लाइफ में क्यों नहीं वैसे लेते? लाइफ इज सो ब्यूटिफुल, टेक इट एज अ वीडियो गेम। आप उसको गेम की तरह चैलेंजेस लीजिए, ओवरकम कीजिए, एंड यू विल गेट योर हैप्पीनेस। दैट इज व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट। जसलीन, और टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट विद ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस, मैंने जैसे बताया कि आप जरूरी नहीं है, आईएसओ इज ऑल्सो एन ऑथराइज्ड बॉडी। वो कभी नहीं बोलते आप हमारे जैसा कीजिए, आप यू आर द बॉस फॉर यू। आप बोलिए मैं महीने में एक बार डालूंगी कोई भी कंटेंट, आप महीने में पर एक बार डालिए, ठीक है? सो उसमें जरूरी नहीं है आपको रोज सुबह दोपहर शाम करना है, कोई ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है। यू फाइंड योर ओन नीश बट बी डिसिप्लिन टू दैट। Virabrata Das, how handle my committed responsibility if my respective person not ready to listen professionally? So with my experience, working alone is very easy. Working with people to make them work is little difficult. तो मैं मेरा अगेन एक टिप देती हूँ आपको, मैंने 20 टाइम्स का पेशेंस रखा है। What does it means? Like if you expect somebody to do particular job 20 times, you need to again and again and again and again. You have to explain it. You have to be patient enough. You have to guide. You have to motivate. Most of the case it happens. So you find your own lucky number. I think I find myself as 20 numbers. तो आपको उतना पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, तो हो जाती है चीजें। थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट होता है, नेचुरल है, हमें भी कोई कुछ बोलता है तो हम भी थोड़ा टाइम लगते हैं, तो इट्स बीइंग एम्पथाइज ऑन टू दैट somebody else's. It's not like that every time they don't want to do it. Maybe they have their own challenges. You should understand and help them, and I think they will be able to help you out with your objective. Rohit, I believe it's about feel good present as per the demand place. Important time, one who gets better in the day. Personal branding. Sorry, मुझे थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं हो रहा. I believe it's about feel good present, good as per the demand, and the place has must. I think you are talking something good about that personal branding, Rohit. So yeah, I think definitely if you are known for yourself, I think what is the bestest part, how to convert my own personal brand and values into my product brand. A brand has a pressure to generate sales. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ उसके लिए. हम सब जानते हैं रामदेव बाबा को. Yes, I hope we all knows it. So what he has done it, he has made his own all the niche. उन्होंने अपने आप को सिर्फ फोकस किया योगा के लिए, योगा के रिलेटेड, हेल्थ रिलेटेड, एंड देन ही स्टैब्लिश्ड जो उनकी वैल्यूज को कन्वे करता है, उन्होंने उसके रिलेटेड में ही प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए. पहले आप जो है, आप जिस तरीके से आप जिस फील्ड में काम करना चाहते हैं, आप उसको बनाइए, उसके रिलेवेंट में अगर आपने स्टैब्लिश किया है, सो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका ब्रांड स्टेब्लिश हो सकता है. सो आई होप आई एम एबल टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेरीज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फील फ्री टू कनेक्ट विद मी, ज्योति जैन, मार्केटिंग की माँ. एंड थैंक यू सो मच विवेक सर for having me here. It was really good, feel good factor for me to share, my insights and experience. Happy to be a part of the session. I hope I made some sort of, value addition to your, expectations towards your students. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
Jyoti, it is not for once now. It is always a pleasure to have you among us, talking to us and talking to our current students and prospective students. It was wonderful insight that you have shared with all of them, and I'm sure that it will, whatever you have shared with them with such a passion, it is really going to help them a lot in their career. IMT CDL has a proud network of more than 35,000 alumni, and all of them are as bright as you. And we wish that all our current students, as well as future students, keep on getting inspired from such bright alumnus like yours, and keep on making a lot of success in their life, and they all must flourish. And that's how we like to see our students, those who come from IMT CDL alma mater, to move ahead in their life. You are a shining star and an inspiration for all the prospective students. Thank you for being among us, and we would love to have you here more often in upcoming sessions. I can
Happy
see that there are many students. There are many students, those who are still writing questions. So we will take a note of those questions. We will share it with you so that we can send a personal response to all those students at a later on stage. Thank you very much to all the audience, and thank you very much once again, Jyoti, for being among us. So with this, I
Thank you so
think
much,
that we
sir.
can log out. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. All the best. Do well and happy crafting you. But don't forget to keep smiling because happy, healthy, and happiness is the key to the success. Take care. All the best.